Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Optifine onto your computer. So first step is to open up Google Chrome, and inside of the search tab, you're going to want to Google optifine.net. Click enter. You're then going to want to head over to downloads. And for my case, I'm going to be installing 1.18.2. But if you wanted to install any other version, you would just click the show all versions and pick a version. Um, to download the actual Optifine, you're gonna want to click the mirror link and not the download link, because it will show you less ads and it'll be faster. So just click the download here, and it'll start downloading. And once it's done downloading, you're going to want to double click onto your optifine.jar, and it will prompt you with an installer. Also, you can go ahead and click out of this. You don't really need this tab. Just a bunch of ads on it. So now we can double click on our installer, and here we have the installer. So for the folder here is gonna automatically figure out the folder that you need to install it to and do it for you. You don't have to worry about that. You also don't have to worry about the extract or cancel. You just need to install it. So you just click install, and it will say Optifine is installed successfully. So once that is done, you can close out of Chrome and you can actually just launch Minecraft. Um, so once you launch Minecraft, it should appear automatically if it loads. Yeah. Okay, so it should appear here automatically, and it does. You can already see it right here. Created the instance. If not, you can come to your installations and then you can make a new installation. And you can pull the drop down here, and as you can see, it says release Minecraft 1.18. You give it a name, new Optifine, and then you can create it. And boom, now you have your new Optifine. You can just come in here and you can pick it. And then you can just click play and enjoy your Optifine. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.